Okay, so I tried filming this already, but it kind of stopped. So basically what I did was I got my pictures, I got a music, I lined it up, and then I made this little thingy right here. If you don't know how to do that, you get a picture, you zoom in it all the way, and then you go to mask, and you get the shapes, and you do that. You like zoom in it, and then you want to duplicate it, and then press the little raindrop thingy. See this raindrop thingy, this thingy, press that, and then, line it up, and boom. So now I'm just gonna add the edits because it took me too long already just to put in the thing. Pictures. So, we're just gonna add the thingies. Should we do the 3D flip? You know what I used to do? Okay, so apparently people don't care anymore. They just put like random ones. From what I've seen, I'm not saying that people don't care. From what I've seen, they just like pick one and then they make it look good. So I'm gonna try to do that. Rotation? No, shake. Rotation and shake. Yes. Queen. Okay, jump. Yeah, sure. Skew. Okay. I'm just picking randomly, guys. Title spin. Okay, so after title spin. We're gonna do that. Okay, if you don't know who these people are, this is G-Dragon. He is a soloist, right? I mean, I know he was in Big Bang, but he's a soloist also. I don't know, but that's G-Dragon. Then this is Sunmi. I don't know if I'm saying her name wrong. And then this is PSY. Everyone knows him. Gangnam Style. You know the feels, man. I did Flash. I'm gonna do title spin. And then I'm gonna do title spin inverse. Yeah, that works. That looks good. Then I do simple. Then should I do zoom? I'm gonna do no, but I'm gonna do. Okay, that works. And then after that, I'm gonna do the 3D flip. And then after that, I'm gonna do the skew, but this way. Yeah. Okay, for it going to PSY, I'm gonna just do Flash because I'm not trying to do anything extra. I'm lazy, and I know this is not gonna be a good one either. I'm just trying to teach you how to use funimate, yeah? Shake. So after it shakes, you don't mess with it. After it shakes, we're gonna go shake. No, shake. Yeah, that works. Okay, and then you want to go to bounce. I mean, not bounce. To, simple. No, not simple. Where do you use simple? To blur. Would blur work? Okay, that looks fine. And a big one. Bigger one. Oh, impact would look so good, but that was free yesterday. It's not free today. Alright, we'll use that. And then pick a random one. That one. Alright. By the way, if you want to use pro effects, you just you have to put them on, because it'll let you put them on, but it won't let you export the video, which kind of sucks. But at least they give you like a free pro every day, which is pretty cool. I want this one. They need to give this one as a free. But if you want it, you just screen record and you'll get it. And we're gonna use 3D flip like that. Where is it? Where am I? And then pick a random one. Strip that down for me. Yeah. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not talking to any of y'all when I said that. I was like singing a song. So please don't take it the wrong way. So we're gonna do mix, and after that, we got the flash, and then we're gonna do this again, and we're gonna go multi. We're gonna go like that. Now we're gonna do inverse. Yeah, and then here we'll just do flash again, because that's gonna be the ending. Should we do zoom? Fast? No, okay, we're not doing zoom. So we'll do that, and then we'll do the same one, but going out. And then random one, blur. Okay, whatever, that works. Title spin, and then we're gonna do inverse this way, and then title spin, inverse that way. Yeah, and then here we'll just do random one, pick random. Oh, doors will look so good. But I'm not gonna do it. Okay, so now that we're done, we want to add our thingy, our what's it called, watermark. So add a, yes, it's my watermark because it just is. If you want to judge, that's okay. And then the way you do it is, I don't like that color at all. Okay, that's fine. So you just, you make it as long as the video. Why isn't this as long as the video? Okay, whatever. So you make it as long as the video. As long as the video. Go. Can you work? Alright. By the way, I'll show you the sound in a minute. So make it as long as the video. Put it wherever you want. I put it at the bottom, but like right under it. Like right on top of everything as well. And then you want to go to, oh god, I forgot how to do this. How do I do this? Effect? No. Motion? No. Blend, add, multiply. Okay, don't use any of that. I mean, I'll just keep it like that, it's fine. So this is it.
Step on up to this. Step on up to this crazy love. Hey, I'm classy, but I don't mind if you get at me. It's okay to get nasty, just the way that you like. You say I'm sexy, so bad they should arrest me. You can't forgive me, gave you the time of your life.
I do not know why some of them cut out, but yeah, it sucks. End story. But you get the point. I'm just trying to teach you how to use Funimate. I think it's just the pictures I got or the transitions I used. Right here. Where'd you go, my guy? I don't know where she went.
Just the way.
So let me just fix that and I'll show it to you again. Okay, I fixed it.
Step on up to this. Step on up to this crazy love. Hey, I'm classy, but I don't mind if you get at me. It's okay to get nasty, just the way that you like. You say I'm sexy, so bad they should arrest me. You can't forgive me, gave you the time of your life.
If you're gonna use transitions, I would recommend planning out the transitions because if you just kind of like scatter them everywhere, it's not gonna look good. I scattered them everywhere, so it doesn't look good at all. But you know, you get the point. Good luck on using funimate. You can also use what's it called? Kind Master, I don't know. But you can also use that. I'll make a thingy on that too.